And welcome back to Just Wing It. And what do we have today? We have my WPL Land Cruiser. It's a little windy, and we're in the middle of the desert, the Mojave Desert. So we are going to take this vehicle out, and we're gonna do my first effort at rock climbing, I guess. I don't know. We're out here. I've flown planes out here before, but kind of a neat vista out there, right? You can see the windmill way out there, some water towers, and there's our friend Elephant Mountain. Huh? Look at that, right? That's Newberry Springs way out there, and it's all lush and green out there because the Mojave River flows out there. You can't see it, it's underground. It's an underground aquifer out there. But because of that, everything grows nice and green along where the river flows. And there's a lot of farming that goes on way out there in the distance. Lots of alfalfa and stuff like that. But we have this terrain here. I've got my little Mobius set up, or Mobius, my GoPro, and we're going to try something different. And we're going to shoot some video. We're going to shoot some video of the Land Cruiser. So I've got her tricked out a little bit. I mean, nothing crazy. I haven't done any painting or any detail work on her yet, but I've got the little supplied stickers there, the little park passes, and all the rest of it. It's a nice looking rig. It's got the turn signals on there. Those are stickers, by the way. Those are decals. But yeah, so we've got her all powered up and ready to go. So without further ado, and begging your indulgence, and hopefully I don't roll this thing over, we're going to take the WPL 1/16 scale Toyota Land Cruiser on her maiden voyage in the Mojave Desert. All right, stay tuned. So far, so good. Whoa! All right. Very cool. I'll see if I can get her back up. A lot of torque, that's for sure. All right. So far, so good. So far, so good. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Wow! Right. Hey, you know what? Not yeah, I mean, everything's there. Okay, good. Yeah. Hey, she did good. She done good. seems to have a lot of torque. Seems to have a lot of torque. She's doing well. Again, I don't know what I'm doing, so we're finding out as we go here. We're finding out as we go. And remember, this is her maiden drive, and it's in the middle of the Mojave Desert. So we ain't playing here at Just Wing It, all right? We're playing, but we ain't playing, all right? Let's see if I can turn this thing around without rolling her over again here. Let's see. Whoa, man, that's dangerous. There we go. All right, very cool. This is kind of fun. It's different, I'll tell you that. And if it's, huh. Wow, a lot of sand down here. A lot of sand. Oops. Come on, there you go. Come on. Oh, we got her stuck. There we go. There you go. There she is. Look at that. All right. Let's get her up here a little bit. Uh-oh, come on. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. Rolled her over twice. So far so good. Hey, only rolled her twice. No, you know what? No scratches yet, which is kind of shocking, really. But so far so good. I'll tell you what, it's different, and if there's a little wind, hey, this is a way to go, okay? So, yeah, I don't know. She's getting dirty. That's what she's supposed to be. Well, let's take her for a couple more laps here, and we'll wrap this up. And we'll go for another one here sometime soon. So we'll go ahead and do one more lap as I try to get used to this vehicle. So, hey, I think she's doing good, but then again, I don't really know what to base it off of. You can let me know in the comments what I'm missing out on, okay? But in any event, so let's keep her rolling here. Oh, that's a good turn. There we go. All right, good. Okay, cool. Well, she can burn a little dirt. That's good. All right. Let me see if I can get her around this bush here. I don't even know if you'll see this here. We'll see. Oh, wow. Come on. Oh, wow. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, starting to dig in. Keep that gas on. Oh, man. She starts to dig in. All right. Wow, okay. Whoa, come on there. Here you go. All right, cool. All right. Well, I think this is the way we're going to wrap this up. I'll tell you what. This is a lot of fun. Hey, I'll tell you, they're $59. This is the WPL 1/16 scale Toyota Land Cruiser. It's an FJ40. It's an early model from the late 60s, early 1970s. I'm probably going to wind up buying another one. I mean, they're not that expensive. You get the one battery. The battery, by the way, is underneath the hood. So the battery is right in here. You can probably, hopefully you can see that. And it's a little 2-cell. I think it's a 500 milliamp. I might have mistakenly said it was a 600 earlier. It's a 2-cell, 500 milliamp. Comes with this cheap little transmitter. It does the job. I'm telling you right now, I don't know what I don't know about rock crawlers or scale vehicles, but I do know this. This could probably benefit from some more throttle exponential with regards to, I'm not saying this is more or less an on-off switch, but certainly it needs a little bit more finesse to make it go without just abruptly starting and then abruptly starting in reverse, abruptly starting forward. I hope you understand what I'm trying to convey, but yeah, a little bit more finesse could probably work on this with the controls. I don't see it go full stop. There it went full stop. I'm slowly turning, full stop. Okay, great. Let's see what she does. So yeah, she kind of strains until you get about maybe a third of the throttle, and then it starts to go, and it kind of jumps a little bit. So I guess maybe I'll just have to get used to that. That's the intricacy of the vehicle. But again, this is the WPL 1/16 scale Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser. I got mine from Tygen Tanks in Florida. I've seen them at the local hobby shop. We have a local hobby shop about an hour away. It's called Pegasus Hobbies. It's in Claremont, California. It's out there near Ontario, if you will. But Pegasus Hobbies, I know carries these because I've seen them there in the past. But in any event, hey, I hope you like this. I hope this turns out okay. I hope it's watchable. But I'll tell you, even if it's not, we're going to shoot some more because this is kind of fun. I'm going to go ahead and recharge the battery. I'm actually going to kind of leave her the way she is. I'm going to let the dust kind of settle on it. You know, gives it that nice little, that used off-road vehicle patina, if you will, that used off-road vehicle finish. This is natural weathering. This is natural weathering. But we're going to charge the battery. We're going to get her back out here in the Mojave, especially now that we're kind of in the windy season, and if it'll be windy a lot. If I get some calm evenings, I'll fly the aircraft. If not, I'll drive my truck. And I'm probably going to buy the other one. The other one's that classic Toyota light blue, you know, that light to medium blue with the white roof. Just great looking models. They got really nice scale lines to them. So in any event, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Please hit that notification bell so that you're notified when there's more videos popping up on the channel. We're focused primarily on aircraft, but we're going to start to show some of these interesting models, some other aspects of the RC life. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. All the best from Just Wing It with the WPL 1/16 scale Land Rover FJ4, or Land Cruiser rather, FJ40. And again, all the best from Just Wing It in the Mojave Desert. Cheers, everyone.